In this video, I want to talk about how you can withdraw from eToro. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to go to eToro.com or just use the app on your phone, sign into your account, and then scroll down until you find withdraw funds. Click on this, and once you're in here, it should show you how much is available to withdraw. Now, if you have more money and it doesn't show all the money on available to withdraw, then that means you have the money in an open position or stuff like that. So if you have invested in, let's say, Apple, and your money is currently in Apple, then obviously you cannot withdraw the money until you close your positions. So just keep that in mind, and then just come in here and type how much you want to withdraw, and then it will be withdrawn to your account. Now that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.